Welcome to EliteWheelx. The compact luxury SUV segment is more competitive than ever, and Audi clearly understands that. With the 2026 Audi Q3 TFSI, they're not just updating their smallest SUV, they're redefining it. This is an all-new generation, and the first thing you'll notice is the design. The Q3 now looks sharper, wider, and far more premium than before. It carries styling cues from Audi's larger SUVs, giving it a more upscale and confident road presence. From a bold front grille to the sleek LED lighting and sculpted body lines, this no longer feels like an entry-level product. Under the hood, things get even more interesting. The Q3 comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. Power is sent through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, paired with standard Quattro all-wheel drive. The result is a 0 to 60 time in the mid-5-second range, making it one of the quickest options in its class. Out on the road, the Q3 feels responsive and refined. Acceleration is strong, the transmission shifts quickly, and the overall driving experience strikes a great balance between comfort and sportiness. It's easy to drive daily, but still fun when you want it to be. Step inside, and the improvements continue. The cabin feels modern and well-built, with high-quality materials and a clean layout. You get a large 12.8-inch infotainment display alongside a fully digital driver screen. The system is fast and intuitive and supports wireless smartphone connectivity. Comfort is also a strong point. The seats are supportive, the ride quality is smooth, and there's enough space in the back for passengers to sit comfortably. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either, with flexible cargo space and sliding rear seats that make it easy to adapt for different needs. Tech-wise, the Q3 is well equipped. Features like a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, wireless charging, and advanced driver assistance systems are either standard or available, making the car feel properly premium. Of course, it's not perfect. There's no hybrid option yet, and some rivals offer features like ventilated seats that are missing here. But overall, the package Audi delivers is very well-rounded. Fuel economy is decent for performance you're getting, and the fact that it runs on regular fuel is a nice bonus. The 2026 Audi Q3 TFSI is no longer just a starter luxury SUV. It feels like a complete, well-developed product. It's faster, more refined, and more desirable than ever before. If you're in the market for a compact luxury SUV that offers strong performance, modern tech, and everyday usability, this new Q3 is definitely worth considering. This is EliteWheelx. See you in the next one.